Sam's been trying to find his frisbee for like the past 5 minutes. I think Chris might be trolling him. What did he do?
It's Jay. There's 2 bushes, which one?
Can you say, oh, there it is.
There it is. Oh, there it is.
I like when Sam throws his frisbee, you hear beer bottles clanking together. Alright, so what's happening today, guys?
I do not consent to being filmed.
I'm not getting paid for these videos, so I could do whatever I want with your face. Frisbee golf, right?
And dogging.
And dogging. That's what they do in Queenstown Gardens. We got the beers, we got the frizz, and we got the J. We got heaps. Look at that. Absolute sparing no. Isn't that like, no?
It's probably in the office.
Chris Adams.
Naz is busking.
And he said he was coming, and there he is. Just busking. This guy would rather blow his didge than play frizz. Just leaving the hostel now. I got my FRIS-BEER, I got my beer, I got 2 spare beers holstered into my pockets. We're gonna go harass Naz. He's one of the other housekeepers here to see if he wants to join us. Are you joining us, Naz? Maybe we'll see Naz once he's done busking. He's gotta make his money, he's gotta eat.
Yeah. So where does How to Dad reside?
I think it's Papamoa? Is that east of Tauranga? There is hole number 1. What do you call it in frisbee golf? It's not holes, I guess, eh?
Yes.
Do you call them holes? Or chain baskets?
Not a whole lot of difference, to be honest. You can have that one for free.
That's where I dub it a holy Jesus.
Holy
Jesus. We might have to play through these guys.
But Mark's just filmed it in the first hole. Oh, well. He's gonna have to lie about it.
Nah, I could fix it in post-production. Don't you worry about that.
In post-production.
You're like the mom.
I'm the mom of the grape drinking beer.
Golf clap.
The hole is just to the right of the big tree.
No, not this way. It's different.
Very strange looking. Why is it so?
It says it's a driver, and I couldn't throw it for shit. I don't think we're really keeping score. It's just get the disc in the basket. You. All right. Try to get this guy in.
Yay! Back of the net.
Yeah, baby.
Yo!
I love dicks. Sisks. Oh.
I think that's a foul for it.
Woo! Beer numero dos. Let's be real. The beer is the only reason why we're out here. Is anybody having fun right now? Here we go. I'm gonna try to get it between those 2 trees right there. Woohoo! Did that land? I almost took out Sam's head. I wish I had your view, Jay.
It was a good throw.
Was it? Where did it land?
It looked very close.
I didn't even see it. I literally just had a...
It looked like it.
Did you see where it landed? Oh, there it is. Wow. This is not gonna be an easy shot. Oh, God. All right, I'll just try to get it as close as possible.
Send it home.
Go to your home. Woo!
Come on, people, what are you doing down there?
I was advised by Chris that I'm actually using a driver disc. So this is the long range one. And when you're using a driver disc, the trick is to put all your fingers on the inside. You wouldn't put one, this is more, I guess, for a spin or control. But in this case, you want to have that much for force. And you kind of flick it because it's got that ridge.
We're down a man. Sam's gone back for beers.
Oh, there he goes. Look,
he's running.
he's running.
Going the wrong way,
running for
Sam.
beer before we... Should I just throw mine? I fell down. It was a good shot, though.
I mean, that shows that you put effort into it.
Exactly. This guy knows what he's doing. Look at that long hair. He knows what he's doing. Oh, Jay hit the tree. My last shot was actually pretty good. Look at that. When I fell down for a purpose. Because look, Look at that approach. I think this is gonna be a 3 for me. You, Andrew. Oh, this is a tricky section. There's a lot of trees there. So.
Place the beer down. Look after the beer. Front and center, straight down the middle.
Are we safe?
For now.
Send it right down le milieu. Oh!
Nice shot.
Yes, I love hitting trees. It's so fun. Tree stump is here as a beverage holder. This one seems to have more control. If I could get it between these trees. Oh! I'll try this guy. That didn't go high enough. Shaboom!
Redeemer. Pizza Redeemer.
Hey, look who it is. Sam, Naz, and Antonio. Thanks for joining us, guys. Chin chin. I've lost track of my frisbee. There's yours. Andrew lost his. I lost mine. There's mine. There's Andrew's. Okay, here we go. Time to hit a few trees. There's one. All right, so I'm subbing in Antonio from Brazil, the Brazilian stallion. Antonio Marconado. Marconado. So you're white. I gotta go take a leak. We'll join you guys later. Always recycle. Oh, my ear. All right, let's try to locate my mates. I think I see Naz's long Lebanese dreads. I think I'm gonna let Antonio play the rest of the match on my behalf. There they are. Hey Jay. Michael J. White, Spun J.
Jay.
When you threw it, I heard a... Let's see what supplies Sam has in his...
Loads of anime porn.
And dead baby jokes. All I see is cider and dead baby jokes, Sam. What did you bring?
It made me laugh.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry, I'm so funny. Alright, let's reach into Sam's bag of tricks. Ta-da!
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh, a challenger has joined.
Oh, it's so violent.
Maestro, move, move, move!
Sam! Sam! Oh, a little too low for my liking. Oh, just skims off the ground.
Where's it gone? I can't find it.
Where did it go?
It was around there somewhere.
If you remove this stick, you'll see your frisbees.
God,
Actually,
there it is.
It's been there the whole time.
Oh, that was not...
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Okay.
Much fun then.
Here we go. This is way better than frisbee golf. So much better. Oh! I got pegged.
No, not me.
Ricochet.
Ricochet. He's the Irishman that just bounces everywhere. Pizza delivery. Pizza delivery, food on cue. Jay's working, he's on shift, he's getting paid.
Pizza's still hot.
Andrew's frisbee has not left the ground. Sorry, it hasn't landed. It's up there.
There it is.
Chuck your empty cider bottle and try to hit it.
Smash it everywhere.
You get that out with the shoe easy.
Oh. Oh.
Jesus.
Whoa. You're gonna kill a jogger. Oh!
Tony is a murderer.
He's used to stoning people. Chucking it.
Fat Magic, 20 inch. Garbage day.
Mother superior.
I got some glass bottles for you.